Hey Dekoni fans, today we've got some good news to share with you. Whether you have one of these Focal models or the Elegia or Stellia, all of Focal's high-end headphones are using the same earpad mount. And we're going to show you just how easy it is to change the earpads today with the Focal elear, which by the way is wearing a pair of our Dekoni nuggets on the headband. So to change the pads, currently the hybrid Dekoni pads, you simply grab the pad and the ear cup and pull apart from each other. They just pop apart and you see these kind of mushroom shaped tabs here, very similar to what you'd see on a speaker grill. And you take your new pad, in this case fenestrated sheepskin, line up the tab and the holes, or posts or pegs, however you want to call them, pop them in, and there you go. It's attached, and that's it. To find out more about Dekoni audio pads, check us out on dekoniaudio.com.